Alright, tell Daddy, say, I can make a pie better than they can on TV.
We see not.
You don't say that?
No.
Or tell Daddy that you can make a pie worse than that.
I don't say that.
Why don't you say that?
Because I don't.
Well, what do you do in Sunday school?
Color.
What do you tell her?
Jesus. Blue. See, I know Jesus is pink. Two of pink, blue, pink.
Oh,
There's two Jesus.
there's two Jesus.
And the color of orange.
There's colors, one of them orange.
And green, that's the Jesus.
And green? My goodness.
And no, a blue one.
Did
This blue is funny.
do you tell her the disciples?
No.
No, you don't? Do you ever tell her Paul or anybody like that?
No.
Just Jesus?
Yeah.
What else do you tell her?
Cool.
What?
A girl.
You tell her what?
Cool.
Cool? A who?
No. Her.
You tell her her.
Yeah.
Well, what tell her she?
Blue.
What? Like Jesus?
Yes.
Well, that's good to know. So that's what you learned in Sunday school? How to
Yeah.
tell her?
Yeah.
You learn anything else?
I call it Taylor.
Tell her Taylor.
Yeah.
What's the color Taylor?
Red.
Taylor's red. What color's Uncle Dylan?
Black.
Black. What color's Daddy?
Silver.
No. Goodness. Is he sparkly? Is he sparkly like the guy from Twilight?
No.
He's not. So he's not a vampire. Daddy's not a vampire?
That's the moon that comforts Jesus.
Oh.
And you're not getting present.
I'm not getting presents?
No.
Why?
Because
Because I'm mean?
yes.
Oh my God.
Santa.
I'm mean to Santa?
Yeah.
What did I give to Santa?
Yeah.
When? I hit him this morning?
Yes.
Where?
At the North Pole.
At the North Pole?
Yes.
How did I get to the North Pole?
So that swing was hurt you, and you hurt Jesus. You hurt Devin, and he's my favorite class.
My goodness. I did some horrible things. Did Kai do any bad things?
No.
Did you?
No.
Did Daddy?
No.
Did Mama?
No. My mom didn't.
Just you.
Just me? I'm the only one that did bad things? Man, I'm awful. How do I get forgiveness?
Because I told you.
What?
You hurt.
I hurt you?
You hurt Jesus.
I didn't hurt Jesus.
You hurt Santa and Jesus.
When? Keeping a story together, too. This morning I hit Santa. What did I do to Jesus?
You hurt him too. Okay.
They're riding together.
Were they riding together?
Good.
What were they driving?
Because
Because they were driving?
you just hurt them.
Okay, I heard them. I don't believe you, but I agree to disagree.
Why did you hurt Santa and Jesus?
What?
Why did you hurt Santa and Jesus?
Why did I? Or what did I?
You hurt my Santa.
I did not hurt Santa.
Yes, you did.
Were you there when I did it?
There's a button on the back.
How did you know I did it?
Very bottom.
Yes.
I'm a what?
Lord Jesus!
No, I did not. Don't say such things.
Ah,
Jesus is my homeboy.
no.
Man, he's a friend.
Why?
You just hit me.
I want you to say sorry to Santa.
I'm sorry, Santa.
I'm not Santa.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Well, how am I going to get there to tell him I'm sorry?
You got to. You got to.
Go where?
Over to the seat.
And then what do I do? Ride in the seat?
And kill.
Listen.
It'll go to the North Pole.
Is this the North Pole? Here?
Kill that.
Oh,